Hello mga ka-friends! Welcome to Artista Issues and Comment TV. So here we are with Bea Alonzo. Idol na idol talaga ko to. Sobrang organized as always. Somebody to look up to talaga. Kasi ang dami mong ma-learn sa kanya. Like for example, with this video na nakita ko, it's about organizing her pantry, and her fridge. So, kahit hindi fridge yung mga lights niya sa bahay, ito yung ginagamit niya. So, here we are. So, her pantry talaga, grabe. Arrange, organize na organize. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa ni Bea sa bahay. Pero, damn, when she's not at work, grabe. Kahit yung bahay niya super organized, which makes sense naman talaga kasi sabi niya pag hindi naman organized yung mga kagamitan niya, parang mahirapan din siya mag-isip. So, ito kahit yung food nila, may mga mixed nuts or whatever, may date, may name, and yung mga containers niya. Sabi naman din niya na it's not expensive daw yung mga containers. Pero still, sa kanit and sa ka-organize ng mga gamit niya, parang tingnan mo talaga na ang mahal-mahal naman ito. Tapos, it's so good na it has expiry dates. At least you will know like, oh sige, ito nang kakainin, or oh sige, ito na yung susunod. Like, yung idol niya si Khloe Kardashian, everything I own has their own home. That's how Khloe Kardashian, I think she based it on Khloe Kardashian's like style na like everything has its own place. Kahit yung food, parang specific places talaga. Like for example, si Bea yung farm niya, meron talagang specific places yung kung saan ilalagay yung mga kagamitan, yung for example yung pigirin niya kung saan. So ito kahit sa food, ganyan din siya. Grabe, super organized. And parang hinahati-hati din niya kung pasta sa baba, yung mga candy sa taas. So technically, sobra, I don't know what to say, pero my God, idol ko talaga to. Look at that. She designs everything na it's super neat. Parang American style talaga yung ano niya, yung style ng pantry niya. Tingnan mo si Century Tuna and Spam. I didn't know, favorite din niya to, which is everybody's favorite naman. Maybe not all, pero for me, I like it too. Tapos may mga healthy stuff pa din siya, like mga flaxseed, mga chia seeds, mga tea. My God, she's really somebody like you have to look up to kasi, oh, tingnan mo to, the original hot cake mix, oh, mga hot cake, mga everything that's like something healthy, and mga Korean foods din siya. So it's so nice kasi parang ma-inspire ka. It's not just like the organization that she's making, but kung tingnan mo yung mga condiments niya, yung mga gamit niya, parang oh my God, she's really following a healthy lifestyle. Tingnan mo to, yung mga like oils, like she has this olive oils. It's also like labeled, all the oils in the world, sobra may labels talaga. Sana all always with a label. So parang her life is siguro pag may ano ka idikit sa pangalan ni Bea Alonzo with label, parang ganon, kasi lahat may label eh. So tingnan mo to, super nice yung mga containers niya, social na social, OMG. So we can really learn a lot from her. Tingnan mo to, yung mga gamit niya, may mga balsamic vinegar pa ang peg. So ito yung fridge din niya, which she showed, like she also organizes her fridge, like it has like sparkle water on top, which she really likes. She said tingnan mo, may apples din, organized din kung ano, like may description or may pangalan talaga kung sa containers. And it has said like also keep it inside the fridge, not on the side of its door. So she talks about the eggs na inside the fridge, para yung shelf life daw ng eggs is better than at the side of the fridge na hindi masyadong maginaw. And look at this, may mga tomato siya, which she has a lot actually. I think maybe siguro from her farm, kaya ang dami. She has her roasted nuts, probiotics, fruits. Oh my God. You know that she is advocating for healthy lifestyle. Even though she does not say it, pero makikita mo talaga sa mga gamit niya. It says here, place baking soda, charcoal inside the fridge to avoid odor, which she got from Khloe Kardashian's, like, you know, I think, belief or her style. And tingnan mo to, kahit lights na kanyang bahay, may label. Um, Super organized, which makes sense naman kasi ang daming pipindutin. At least alam mo, pag binabasa mo, oh sige, ito living area, ito yung sa garden. So she uses this Epson label thing, compact printer. So it's amazing. Bibili na tayo ng ganito, sana all naman. So I'm not sure if this is expensive, pero parang ang ganda na parang super handy, and you use your phone to connect with it. So it's so nice. And sana we could have like this too, no? Ang ganda. And also the barcoding. So, it's like she has boxes na parang you don't need to open the box. You have the barcode and you will know, like, you have to scan it in your phone and you will know what's inside the box. So, that's so amazing. Parang super modern and social ang peg. Tingnan mo, ang dami niyang boxes sa storage. Pero, yeah, she has the QR code that will tell her, like, what's inside the box. And ito, kahit yung food, parang may label din yung food. Like, you can print it and place it there. So, ang ganda. So, hope we learned something from her today. Thank you, Bea, for all those learnings. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.